This is a review of your 4 body positions for the month of October, as well as our Petit Allegro jump. This is for junior ballet, reviewing center work. So our first one is body positions. So just to review, once you've done your stretches and ballet bar, you would come in the center, quatrieme or 4th in front. We have a la seconde, or stretching to the 2nd. We have quatrieme derrière, which is 4th to the back. And then we have crosie, crossed in the back. So we will try that with music for your center work. Second part, we are reviewing our small jumps. So let's take a look at your plié assemblé. So you're starting your 5th, arms are in 3rd, we have demi-plié, straight in the knees, brush, assemblé over. Demi-plié, straight in the knees, brush, and assemblé over. Demi-plié, straight in the knees, brush, assemblé over, then we echappe nice and high, close front. Let's try that with the music. Okay, dancers, well done. Continue to practice. I'll see you next time. Be well. Thank you.